ISTE stands for the International Society for Technology in Education. It is an organization to help educators who want to better utilize technology in the classroom. This organization provides a list of standards for students and teachers to help implement digital strategies that promote learning in a positive and successful environment. For educators, the first standard is learner. Educators should know their practice and improve it by learning from others and taking advantage of the benefits of technology to improve learning. The second standard is leader, which says teachers should support students showing leadership. The third standard is citizen, in which educators should encourage students to contribute and participate in using technology and other digital tools. The fourth standard is the collaborator. This says that educators should collaborate with students and colleagues to improve and share information. The fifth standard is designer, where teachers are advised to design activities and environments that recognize and support their students' learning abilities. The sixth standard is facilitator. This states that educators should facilitate learning with technology. The final standard is analyst. This suggests that teachers understand and use the data they receive from technology to create new instruction and better assist their students. For students, the first standard is the empowered learner. This states that students should have an active role in taking advantage of using technology as a learning tool. The second standard is digital citizen. This states that students should acknowledge and understand the rights and responsibilities of using technology and the internet in a safe and ethical manner. The third standard is knowledge constructor, where students use a variety of digital tools and resources to create effective learning experiences. The fourth standard is innovative designer, in which students should use a variety of technologies in a design process to create new and helpful solutions to solve problems. The fifth standard is computational thinker, in which students develop problem-solving strategies utilizing technology. The sixth standard is creative communicator, where students communicate clearly and can be creative using technology and the media. The final standard is global collaborator, in which students use digital tools and the internet to work with other people and students. SAMR is an education model intended to be used by teachers to incorporate technology in their classroom. Teaching it can impose an impact on the development of students' academic learning. It is important in the classroom to invoke student engagement aside from lecturing. The SAMR model was created by Dr. Ruben Puendura. He is the president and founder of an educational consulting firm, as well as part of the Maine Learning Technology Initiative Group. He has a great deal of knowledge regarding technology and learning. SAMR stands for substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition. Substitution is when the use of computer technology can perform the same tasks as was performed before the use of computers. The technology is acting like a substitute, and there is no functional change in the classroom. For example, you can take a Google Forms test instead of the traditional pen and paper test. Augmentation is when the use of technology can be used as an alternative tool to perform common daily tasks. For example, students can submit assignments online instead of writing them on paper. Modification is when classroom tasks and lessons are changed and redesigned to be performed with the use of more technology. For example, a teacher can have her students collaborate and create a story or a PowerPoint on Google Docs. Redefinition is when students use technology to create and design new tasks. An example would be creating a QR code that would allow a teacher and her students to access other online worksheets. The International Society for Technology in Education and the SAMR model assist students and teachers in integrating technology in the classroom. In our society, technology is constantly changing and evolving. It introduces us to new information and provides us with new experiences that we would not have had in the past. ISTE focuses on giving students a basic understanding of technology and prepares students for using technology in their future. It shows teachers how they can promote learning while facilitating creative experiences. The SAMR model provides ways in which teachers and students can utilize this technology using digital tools and the internet. This model increases individual work with students and teacher collaboration. The model shows ways in which educators can change or redesign lesson plans to effectively incorporate technology. It is important for students and teachers to understand ISTE and the SAMR model so we can all take advantage of the benefits of technology to create a successful and positive learning environment.